So put down that Xbox controller and let's get to work. Step 1. Know your why before you start building. You need to know what your website is all about. What's the purpose of your site? Who's gonna be checking it out? What do you want to achieve with it? Get your answer straight, and you'll be on your way to building a site that hits the bullseye. Step 2. Choose a badass domain name. Your domain name is like your website's swag. You want to make sure it's memorable, relevant, and catches people's attention. You can buy a domain from places like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Just make sure it's a name that you love and represents your site. Step 3. Pick a platform that rocks. There are tons of website building platforms out there, like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and Weebly. You need to pick one that fits your budget, your goals, and your level of tech-savvy. Make sure you choose a platform with all the features you need, like e-commerce capabilities, so you can start raking in the dough. Step 4. Design like a pro. It's time to get your creative juices flowing and make your site look like $1,000,000. Choose a color scheme, font, and overall design that represents your brand and makes your site easy to navigate. Check out sites like Dribbble and Behance for inspiration, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Step 5. Fill it up with content. Now that your site looks the part, it's time to add some content. Put in all the text, images, videos, and any other media you want to include. Make sure your content is interesting, relevant, and written with SEO in mind to get your site ranking high on search engines. Step 6. Test it like a mad scientist before you launch your site to the world. You need to make sure everything's working like a charm. Check all the links, forms, and interactive elements, and use tools like Google Analytics to keep track of how your site's performing. Fix any bugs and issues, and make sure your site's ready to take on the world. Step 7. Launch like a boss. It's time to blast your site into the stratosphere. You can either host it on your own server or use a hosting service like Bluehost, HostGator, or SiteGround. Make sure your site's up and running, and ready to make a big splash. Step 8. Promote it like a rock star. Now that your site's live, it's time to spread the word. Share it on social media, email, and any other channels you can think of. Use tools like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to run targeted ad campaigns and drive traffic to your site. And don't be shy about asking your friends and family to share it too. Step 9. Keep it fresh like a daisy. Last but not least, you need to keep your site up to date to keep it looking sharp. Add new content, update your design, and make sure your site stays relevant. Remember, a website that's stale is like a pair of old sneakers. No one wants to wear it. Keep your site fresh, and you'll keep your visitors coming back for more. And that, my friends, is how you build a website that'll make your competition jealous. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete newbie, with these steps, you'll be able to create a site that'll have the world talking. So go forth, and build that website you've always dreamed of. And remember, if you ever get stuck, don't be afraid to hit me up. I'm always happy to help. GoDaddy, www.godaddy.com. Namecheap, www.namecheap.com. WordPress, www.wordpress.org. Wix, www.wix.com. Squarespace, www.squarespace.com. Weebly, www.weebly.com. Dribbble, www.dribbble.com. Behance, www.behance.net. Google Analytics, www.google.com/analytics. Bluehost, www.bluehost.com. HostGator, www.hostgator.com. SiteGround, www.siteground.com. Google AdWords, www.google.com/AdWords. Facebook Ads, www.facebook.com/ads. Boss Media. My site bossmedia.info. A spool boss my site. It's your boy, and I'm here